Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. I would like to take a moment to say I hope you and your family are doing okay in this tough time. I hope you guys are keeping safe and keeping your distance away from people. I hope you're obeying the law and doing what is right, not just for the government, but just for you and your family, knowing that you're doing what is right to save other people's life, to save your family's life. And also, don't lose hope. It looks like madness everywhere. You open the news, it looks like completely madness, but don't lose hope. Keep your faith in God, because there is nothing, absolutely nothing that He cannot do. Just keep your faith in Him and believe that He will take control and He will, save us from all this chaos going on. But yeah, welcome. And today we are going to be making rice and beans. If you grew up in a Nigerian home, you know that rice and beans is a staple food. Yeah, it's something that you eat all the time as a lunch, and it's very tasty as well. So let me take you guys over there so I can introduce you guys to our ingredients for today. Guys, this is our ingredients for today. So we have our easy cook long grain rice, we have our beans, we're going to be frying some plantain, we have our plum tomato, we're using 3, we have Maggi, we have onions, curry and thyme, mixed seasoning, salt, and over here we have our meat. So we have chicken and turkey gizzard. I have added onions inside the meat, and I'm going to add all the other ingredients. So I am going to add the mixed seasoning. I'm going to add 2 Maggi. I'm going to add salt, curry, and thyme. So we are going to cover and start cooking. We are going to cook our meat until the meat is fully cooked. So we put our stove on and we'll put our meat on. So now it is time to blend our tomato. I'm going to be cutting 2 onions. Going to add the tomato. I'm going to cover and blend. Guys, we're done blending our tomato. We're going to start cooking it and let all the water in the tomato dry out. So yeah, and our meat is boiling away. I have not added any water in the meat. It's still boiling with its own water. I'm gonna just let it boil. So now guys, our tomato has dried out completely, so we're going to take it out of the stove now. So we're going to put this pot and water and allow the water to heat up a bit. Then I'll add our rice and pre-boil our rice for 5 minutes. We are going to add our rice. I am only going to boil that rice for 4 to 5 minutes. It is time to take our rice out and go and wash it. So guys, now we have put our beans on the stove. For the beans, I am going to boil it halfway. So just boil it until it's half done, because you know that beans take longer to cook than rice. So now guys, it is time to take out our meat from the stove. It has been boiling now for over 14 minutes, so it is done. I'm going to take it out. So we have taken our meat out. It is time to start frying our tomato. So I'm going to allow the pan to dry out, then I will add the oil. We are going to add our oil. And we will allow the oil to heat up, and then we'll add onions. We are going to add our onions. We are going to add our tomato now. We are going to fry this tomato until it is done. So I'm gonna just leave it on the stove there, keep my eyes on it and don't allow it to burn. And I'm gonna lower the heat and allow it to fry properly. To take the beans out of the stove because it is half done. It's a bit soft now, so I'm happy to take it out of the stove. So now guys, our tomato is done. We are going to start adding our ingredients. Now I'm going to add Maggi. I'm going to add thyme, curry, mix seasoning, salt, dry chili, and I'm going to mix. I'll leave it for another 2 more minutes. It is time to start adding everything in the pot. So I have the meat, I have the gizzard, the turkey gizzard, the chicken I will be frying. I have the turkey gizzard in there. I am going to add our tomato. I'm going to add a bit more hot water. I'm going to add beans. And I'm going to add our rice. And I forgot to say, the beans is 3 cups of beans and 5 cups of rice, because generally you want your rice to be more than your beans. I'm going to add a bit more hot water. I'll add a bit more water. Okay, now I will cover and let it start cooking. So now guys, it is time to start frying our plantain. So I'm going to add oil. And I'm going to allow the oil to heat up. Over here, that is our plantain. I'm going to add salt. And I'm going to mix it together. I will allow the oil to get hot before I add in the plantain. So now I am going to start adding the plantain in the hot oil. So guys, it is time to check on our rice and beans. The water has dried now. I'm going to check if the rice and beans is done. Yeah, they are done. I'm going to take them out of the stove, and all the ingredients are in it. Yeah, I don't need to add any Maggi or any salt. It is enough. So I'm going to take it out of the stove now. So now guys, I am done frying my plantain. I am going to fry my chicken. So guys, it is time to take out our chicken. It has fried very well, so I am going to take it out of the stove now. So guys, our food is ready. It is ready. The aroma in here is just to die for. I can't wait to dive in. Yes, that is our rice and beans, fried plantain, fried chicken, and turkey gizzard. Yep. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. Please do not forget to give your girl a thumbs up. So guys, we are done cooking for today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share my videos to your friends and family, and yeah, and if you're new and you have not subscribed, please subscribe and stay tuned. Press on the bell icon to notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. Thank you so much, and this is where this recipe is going to end. Today is Sunday, and this is going to be our Sunday lunch. So thank you so much, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.